Well, hello, Mr. Triola. Hello, students. How are you today? They don't seem too excited. No, yeah, it happens. So what are we doing today? Oh, we're going to go over topic 6-8, mixed numbers divisions, okay? Do you want me to get started right away, or they're in Nearpod? Okay, so you want to make sure they're in Nearpod. And, oh, look at this. We're going to get a little help from famous mathematicians today. You mean it's not going to be you and me by ourselves up here today? Famous mathematicians. You know, who's coming over? You don't even know, do you? Wow. Oh, I see one coming over right now. I actually see one. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's Pythagoras. Pythagoras, how are you? Hello, children. Learn your maths. Oh man, look at him. Hey, Pythagoras, you gonna help us with mixed numbers division? Oh yeah, I love to do lots of dividings. Very cool. Okay, well, what should I do first? Oh, show them the steps. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so there are 5 basic steps to completing this type of problem. Chris, you should probably give them an example problem so they know what these steps relate to. All right. You going to do it? Oh, okay. So you're thinking 3.5 divided by 2 and 1/4. Okay, so that's the type of problem these steps apply to, right? Okay, good. Good job there. All right, so anyways, step number 1. Change the whole numbers and mixed numbers into improper fractions. Step number 2, rewrite the divisor as its reciprocal and convert the division sign to multiplication. This sounds kind of familiar. Do they look like they know what you're talking about? Okay, so whole numbers, mixed numbers, improper fractions. Then divisor becomes reciprocal, division becomes multiplying, and then cross-simplify. Why cross-simplify? Yeah, it makes things easier in the end. Does it always work? No, but it does help, right? Multiply for your quotient, and then convert into a mixed number and simplify further if you need to. So do they look like they're ready for all this? Yeah? Hey, looks like another famous mathematician's coming out to say hello. Oh, hi, kids. I used to be a famous math teacher myself, and now I'm a mathematician. Language arts isn't all that important, so make sure you learn your math. Okay. See you, kids. Bye, Mrs. Helsley. Man, she's amazing. Yeah, she used to teach math, but then she went to the language arts. I don't know. Maybe she got tired of math. She's very smart. So anyways, Pythagoras, can you help us here with a little example problem? Oh, yeah, children. I would like to try this example, children's. Oh, look at Pythagoras. He's Greek. He's old. I'm not that old. Just do this problem now. Okay, Pythagoras, we'll do it. All right, so anyways, this is basically how we would solve a problem like this, kids. First step, we have to turn everything into improper fractions. So we're going to do 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3. We're still talking about the same division problem, but now we have to do 4 times 1 plus 3, which would be 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 gives you 7 over 4. Now, in this case, it looks like, they're trying to catch the kids. Is that the case, Pythagoras? Oh, yes, they're going to try and make you cross-simplify before you do the reciprocal. Oh, yeah, you're right, because it does look like 4 and 14 are compatible, so kids might forget to do this next step, which is to make the reciprocal out of the divisor and then go to multiplication. All right, so now is there any there's no cross-simplifying here. What do we do now? Oh, you have to do the multiplying. Oh, okay, all right, well, anyways, 14 times 4 is 56, and 3 times 7 is 21. Ooh, we have an improper fraction. What should we do now? No, you have to make it into a mixed number, yes. Oh, okay, we can do that. So what we have to do is we have to take the 56 and divide it by 21. 21 will go into 56 two times. 2 times 21 is 42. And if we subtract, we end up with 4 and 14, remainder of 14. So we can't have, we have 2 and 14 21st. Is that okay? Oh, we have to take 14 21st and we have to simplify it. So cross-simplifying didn't work, but we still have to do it at the end. Those are both divisible by 7. So the greatest common factor for 14 and 21 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided... Okay, so our final answer is 2 2/3. All right, that makes sense. Thanks, Pythagoras. We're going to see you around. Okay, bye, childrens. Wow. Famous mathematicians. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's go on. Let's try some example problems, okay? You should be in Nearpod number 1. Is there anybody famous coming out, Chris? Do you see anybody? Oh, look at that. It's George Washington. Hello, children. Guess what I've got for you today? Man, George Washington was a famous mathematician. Can you believe it? And he's right here in our classroom-ish. Okay, do you want me to pause the video, George? Oh, yes, you please pause it. All right, we'll pause it. All right, George, would you like me to solve the problem? Oh, yes, please do. I left my technology at home. Oh, all right, well, let me solve the problem for you, George. Okay, so here's what we do, kids. We have to convert everything to improper fractions. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is going to give you 17, okay? 17 over 4. And then 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So we're going to have 25 over 8. And we're still in division mode. We haven't switched over reciprocals. So we're going to switch this over and we're going to put 8 here and 25 here. Turn it into multiplication and we have 17 over 4. There are compatible numbers. We have 4 and 8 are compatible. 4 will go into 4 one time. It will go into 8 twice. 17 is a prime number, so it's not compatible. It's not a multiple of 25. So we multiply 2 times 17, and we get 34. And then we have 1 times 25, and we get 25. Are we done? Oh, no, you're not. Oh, George, you're having a tough time. Oh, no, you're not done yet. You got to, make it into a mixed number. Okay, I'm going to get you up out of the way there, George, okay? Something like that. Okay, whatever. Okay, so what you're saying is now we have to take 34 and divide it by 25, which will be 1 time. That's 25. And if we subtract, we then will have 9 left over. So our answer is going to be 1 and 9 25ths. Oh, let's see if that's what's under there. Yeah, hey, cool. That's neat. All right, see you, George. Bye, kids. It's George. I mean, he's got wooden teeth, you know. All right, so another example, Nearpod 2. Who do you think is going to show up now, Chris? Well, here comes... Oh, my goodness. Wow, it's Andy or Ben. Who is that? I think it looks like Ben went to the Browns or Andy went to Steelers. Oh, well. Hey, you got to... Oh, I never pass on math. Well, okay. Would you like us to do that problem? Yes, please. Okay, all right. Kids, I'm going to pause the video and you give it a try. All right, here we go. Let's set it all up fresh over here on this side. We have 8 divided by 2 3/4, okay? So we want to turn our divisor into a mixed number, or into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 gives you 11/4. And 8 has to become an improper fraction, so we're going to put it over 1, okay? Now we're ready to do the inverting and multiplying, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite it as 4 over 11 multiplied by 8 over 1, okay? There is no cross simplifying, okay? We just have to multiply straight across. You know, they kind of tried to trick us up here by getting you to cross simplify and then do the reciprocal. We didn't fall for that. So we have 8 times 4 is 32, and then 1 times 11 is 11. And of course we want to turn this into a mixed number, so we take the 32 and divide it by 11. It will go in there twice. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract, and you have 10. So our whole number is 2. 11 is our denominator, and 10 is our numerator. So our answer should be, yep, 2 and 11. 2 and 10, 11. That's pretty good. Yes, you've passed. Oh, that's cute. That's real cute, Ben. All right, we'll see you, Ben. Okay, bye. All right, yeah. All right, Chris, should we just? Who knew? George Washington, famous mathematician. Mrs. Helsley, famous mathematician. Who do you think's going to show up next? Me either. All right, here. Oh, here they come now. I even think I hear 8 little reindeer. Ho, 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 Santa Claus! Oh my gosh! Hello, Chris, how are you? I'm great! You've been a little bad? I have not. You've been bad? I have not been bad. You've been bad. Alright, Sam, whatever. Would you like me to do that problem with the kids? No, let them pause. You pause the video and let them do it on your pod. Okay, I'll pause the video. Kids, you guys got to do the problem. All right, let's see how we did. Santa, would you like me to show the whole problem outright, or I'm going to work with yours? Okay, you can work with my problem. Oh, no kidding. All right, no, here we go. Never mind. All right. So, first thing we do, make them into improper fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so we have 9 over 4. We have 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11 over 2. All right, now we have to invert and multiply. So we're going to do 2 over 11 multiplied by 9 over 4. Oh, look at that. We can finally cross simplify, can't we? 4 and 2 are compatible. So we're going to do 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 11 is 22. And our answer should be 9:20 seconds. There we go. Santa, I am looking forward to this Christmas. I am so excited. Ho, 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 ho. You're not getting anything but coal. What? Oh, I've been really good. I've seen the way you treat these children. What? Ho, 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 ho. Oh, well, I'm going to go. Bye, Santa. Ho, ho, bye. Bye, kids. I'm going to go be good. I'm going to, be nice to my students. Bye.